In today's video, I am going to show you how you can turn your any doc or the presentation, or just using a prompt you can create the byte or the small size of the courses that you can instantly sell out without hosting on your own domain. So let me show you how. So this is the Bytes. This platform lets you create the really small size of the courses and really interactive and the gamifying way that it feels like you are just cheated in creating a course here, because you don't need to be a really that kind of the expert here. This AI is going to manage everything. So I have tested out personally and I am really amazed. That's why I think this video you have to watch till the end. And let me show you. So you have to just go to its dashboard. There's also its lifetime deal is right now going on the app Sumo, and this is the AI week where I am talking about the AI tools every day, and this video is the next part of it. So in this video I am talking about this platform, that is the Bytes. Use AI to turn your expertise, interest or ideas into the micro courses you can share and sell anywhere, anytime here. So its lifetime deal is starting from the really affordable pricing. On this deal page you can know what are the features of this tool and the pricing here. So the tier 1 plan gives you the really low limit here, and most of the features you are not getting access. So what I suggest, go with at least tier 2 or the tier 3, because here will get the almost most of the features access, and you will also get to know about the more things here. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and here first we need to set up our brand kit. So we will go to the brand kit here, and after that it will simply ask us to upload the logo. You can do that. Then in the themes you can select the multiple themes here. What I suggest, that is just going to help you easily understand and creating the courses, you will select that one. Then this is the image library where you can upload the images that you can use while generating the courses here. So this is how you will set up your brand kit. Now we will go to the settings, and here we have the payment slip that we can just connect. So right now it is only available with the Stripe that you can connect with here, and that's how you have also connected the monetization way if you want to sell out your courses. So this is how your basic course or this account setup will be done. Now we are going to create the course, and there are 3 ways to creating your course. Either you can transform any document, or you can convert a presentation, or my favorite one, generating using a prompt here. To get the detailed prompt, what you can use the ChatGPT or the Gemini here, because that will give you a detailed prompt. You can use it here. So simply click here on the generate using a prompt here, and now you can see this is something like a chatbot is going to open up that will ask you to describe your course. So if you have the information what your course about and you can give the details, you can simply start adding that. But what I will do, I will go to ChatGPT, and here I will ask the that course topic, how to start a AI agency here, give me the details, plans, steps. Okay, and based on that it has given me a really good steps and the information for the actions. So later on what I have asked it to turn it into a detailed prompt here. Okay, so let me go till the end. You can see now I have asked it to turn it a prompt which I can use into a course generator for creating course out of it. Okay, and it has given me this prompt here. So simply I will copy, and now I will go to back here again on this AI course generator and simply paste the prompt. This prompt has all the details with the modules and the things I want to add in this course. Simply click here on the submit. Now it will ask you few more questions like this course for, and what you are going to offer in this course like that. Okay, so it is asking me what is your audience for this course, whether they are beginner or the intermediate. So I will go about the intermediate, because this course is something like the beginner to the advanced. So I have asked it for the intermediate. Now it will ask you choose one phrase to categorize your audience: agency owners, digital marketers. Okay, so I will go with the agency owners. Now it is asking me what should your audience achieve from this course: establish and operate an AI outreach agency from scratch, develop and implement effective lead generation and the client acquisition strategy, scale an outreach agency to achieve significant monthly revenue. Okay, I will select first one. Okay, now this is how it is basically asking your preferences, and it is going to target your prime audience. Okay, my course will be in the English, so I have selected that language, but you can select the any other language as well. Then what tone would you like to course to be written in? I will go with the motivational or the persuasive. Okay, then it is asking me what is your expectation from the length of the course. Here you can select the length. I will go with around the 10 to 15 screens. I will show you what this screen about. Okay, so final step, it's now time to generate the and review the course. Okay, generate the course outline. So based on all the things you have done and the information you have given here, it is going to generate the course outline. Okay, and it is start generating out. So you can see, welcome to your AI agency journey, your niche, essential AI tools, magnetic branding, automation architect, delivery excellence. Okay, and in the end it has also going to generate the quiz. So okay, I like the outline here, but somehow if you are not happy with the outline, you can just anyway anytime click here on the regenerate, and it will give you the fresh one outline of the courses. So let's click here on the create the course, and now it will start creating the course, and this is how it is going to do that. So this is one screen, and it's basically something like a presentation way, but it will be the more interactive or the gamifying. Okay, it is going to add the images automatically, it is going to add the cards, tick marks, all this stuff. So it is going to take some time to generating this course, but happily I have already done that, and this is how this course look like. So you can see they launch your AI outreach agency from 0 to the 100k. Basically this is what means 100k per month in the 90 days. Okay, and I'm going to start the course, and this is how this course link will show up. You can also share this link anywhere, and there's also be a embed option available that you can embed this course on your own website. I will also show you out that one, but first let me preview those course here. So simply click here on the start course, and it will show you the first module, this is the second module, and every module you can see this is the like drag and drop kind of the stuff. And I'm really happy because this is the really small steps to learning about this course. Okay, next. Okay, and you can see now this is something like the scrolling. It is really interacting here. Okay, now let me go to the next part. This is the tick marks, essential AI tools for your agency. So this is going to help you to easily understand what things you need to be required for starting your agency. This is another module. This is Tinder kind of the. Okay, you are going to just open up every card, and it will be down swiped away. Okay, all done. This is the next module. Okay, and this is the writing AI powered outreach again. So I'm going to till the end and want to see what kind of the quiz it is going to generate out of this course. Okay, so this is my 90 days roadmap. Okay, I'm going to, and this is my final assessment and the certification. And let's see, this is the quiz it has generated in the end. So this quiz lets you understand whether actually you have consumed a really good amount of the information and have you learned or not. So testing your knowledge with this quiz is going to really helpful for you. So if you are going to pass this course until you don't have just consumed the lessons of the courses here. So this is how this platform is going to generate the courses for you. Okay, and it's really amazing because the platform makes it super easy, because you don't need to be any expert here. You can use AI to get the prompts or the information and then turn it into the course, and after that you can share this course with the anyone, and in this sharing you can just set up or add your final amount you want to sell out, and in the end you can see who you want to give the course access, only people who have paid or no one also course disabled, or you can just add here anyone with the link here. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Now let me just edit any of the course. Suppose I have just created this course and now I want to edit. So I will simply click here, open up this course. I can add the tons of more things, like I can just change the text any part of this course here. Okay, I can redefine if I want to just change the title. There's this defined action available. I can just improve it with the help of AI here. Okay, now I will go to the next step, and here suppose I want to replace image, I want to add the any other element as well. I can do that here. Okay, because we have these options available. Suppose I want to just change the description, title or gradient. I will select the gradient here, and now this gradient option will be applied to this title, that I can do that. Okay, I can also add the image or the video from here. You can see this is upload option available. So basically you have the not just generated the course, but you have also the control available how you are going to add the other elements in your course as well. And after that once your course is ready, you can simply click here on the publish. It will give you a link that you can share with anyone, okay? Or you can also add a narration that is going to talk every time a new page will be the or new screen will be the open by the your attendee or the student that with the link you have shared, okay? Now let me click here on this share. I got the link here that I can share with anyone. And there's also the embed code available. I can just get this code, okay, and I can paste this code in my any part of the website, and this interactive course will be the start showing up on that page as well with this just simple embedding that is offering here. So this is how this platform works out, and this AI course generator is not just going to help you with the quick course generation, but also going to help you selling in the one platform. You don't have to host it on your own domain or the website. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you are enjoying this AI week videos. Just let me know in the comments what your thoughts about this tool, and if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the videos as well. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.